Taking a closer look at what the Sons of Hermann is and was. According to Wikipedia, quote, "It is a mutual aid society for German immigrants that was formed in New York City on July 20th, 1840. The Sons of Hermann was formed by Dr. Philip Merkel, George Heiner, John Blatz, A. Auer, R. Schwindel, and W. Kohler, and Philip German on the Lower East Side in response to anti-German sentiment during a period of heavy German immigration to the United States," close quote. According to their website, quote, "They have the oldest freestanding wood structure in Dallas, Texas, and the oldest bar." It collaborates with the Wikipedia article, but also goes on to say, quote, "The two Sons of Hermann lodges currently in the hall are Dallas Lodge number 22 and Columbia Lodge number 66, and is a historic landmark in Texas," close quote. If any of you are following this awakening happening worldwide, then you know the occultic numbers of the lodges, 22 and 66, and the name Columbia. The founder of this German organization, Dr. Merkel, now where have we heard that name? Oh yeah, the current Chancellor of Germany. I wonder if there's a connection, because there usually is. Anyway, this organization or society was an offshoot of the Odd Fellows, which is what we know as a secret society, but they refer to themselves as, quote, "an international fraternity." As a side note, Odd Fellows spread overseas, including formally chartering the fraternity in the United States in 1819, close quote. Anyway, moving on, quote, "On December 25th, 1848, a National Grand Lodge of the Sons of Hermann was formed in Milwaukee. The order never had degrees. It has had rituals since its inception. At one point, the Roman Catholic Church refused church burial to members of the Sons of Hermann because of their ritual," close quote. Considering what we know about the Roman Catholic Church, I call into question that whole quote. But moving on, the similarities are beginning to emerge, those of an occultic nature. Openly they claim, quote, "but the order does not limit its membership to believers in a supreme being," close quote. According to this other article, Germans banded together in the city of New York in 1840, quote, "to protect their German culture and heritage by forming the Order of Sons of Hermann." Reputedly, the name Hermann was selected when one of the organization's founders said in response to anti-German prejudice that what was needed was another Hermann who would conquer the enemies of the Germans, close quote. I bet researching the etymology of the word Hermann will lead us to the real reason why they named it that, and we'll dig on that later. What this organization also does, which is questionable in light of what we know now, in my opinion, is specializing in youth camps. I also think we should be looking more closely at organizations that specialize in that. Is it ironic that the name of the town where this youth camp is held is called Comfort, Texas? Especially considering how these occult societies love to put things in plain sight and upside down. Quote, the order conducts an extensive youth program also in Comfort, Texas. Each summer, about 2,000 junior Hermann sons, ages 9 through 13, delight in staying at the youth camp for 1 week. Close quote. Interesting to note about the lodge in Dallas, at least according to this article by the Dallas Observer, quote, plenty have come through the hall's doors, bar-goers, swing dancers, and sure, even filmmakers. Parts of RoboCop were shot there. The building served as the police station in the Dallas shot film. So too Walker, Texas Ranger. Even the Dallas auditions for the first season of American Idol were filmed at the Sons of Her-Mann Hall, making the venue the first stop in Kelly Clarkson's Road to Fame. Close quote. And of course, the Hollywood connection should come as no surprise, considering what we're talking about. Also, just another little side note here, quote, the Sons of Hermann in Dallas also organized a school in 1893 to teach children how to read and speak the German language. Close quote. This organization sure is involved with children, aren't they? And if you were a German immigrant during this time frame, why would you need to be taught your native language? Or were they teaching American children? I'm not sure. Really, this only provides more questions than answers. We are stopping here for now as the rabbit hole just gets deeper, but we will be focusing on the etymology of Hermann and the founder of the Sons of Hermann, Dr. Merkel. And let me just add that it is not my intention to say everyone associated with this organization is involved in nefarious stuff. However, there are more questionable things than meets the eye on most of these kind of societies or organizations, and discernment is key.